Hi, my name is Cindy Scott, and I am presenting to you the reasons why we should adopt 3DBear for our online learning. In this video, I'm going to be going over a few things. I will go over the project overview of 3DBear. I'll go over the timeline for implementing it, and I'll go over the benefits for our school if we implement it, and then an alternative to 3DBear, and also the costs of this project and the ratings. Let's get started. Our school has some online technical courses that need to be differentiated. In addition, the student learning and the engagement needs to be enhanced. And the desire is to accomplish this with augmented reality. And after researching different augmented reality software programs, it has been determined that 3DBear is the best software to accomplish the desired outcomes. The 3DBear app is an innovative learning application that allows users to build augmented reality scenes using virtual 3D models and their surroundings. So what exactly is 3DBear? 3DBear is an app that combines immersive technologies and inspiring pedagogic content for the best learning results. And it uses augmented reality, also virtual reality. It enables 360-degree photos, scanning, and also 3D printing with an additional purchase. Why should we use 3DBear? Well, first of all, we all know that students learn by doing, and they would definitely be doing things with this application. The student engagement will be so high. The students will love creating and learning and also showing off their talents. Another use of this, or reason we should use it, is for distance learning. It's a great tool for homework if students have to learn remotely. It's also easy to implement the design thinking, inquiry-based, and problem-based learning. All of those things that 21st century learners want, 21st century learners should have at their disposal. So let's go over the timeline for this project. First of all, in November of 2021, this year, we will meet with the lower school curriculum coordinator to propose the 3DBear augmented reality and seek her approval. And then the next month, in December, we would meet with school administration and discuss the project and seek the approval to purchase, mainly the approval for spending the money that we will be spending. If approved in January of 2022, we would purchase the 3DBear augmented reality and hold teacher training on the use of the app. And then in February, the STEM teacher and all of the classroom teachers would start designing lessons that would use 3DBear augmented reality. So that finally in March of 2022, the 3DBear augmented reality use can begin in the classrooms. Let me tell you about some project benefits that we will see if we use 3DBear augmented reality. One is that students can really visualize abstract phenomena by using this technology. For instance, they can observe and see extinct animals. Another benefit is there is no need for the purchasing virtual reality goggles. Um, you can have the students build 3D structures without those very expensive goggles. Another benefit is that 3DBear encourages critical thinking, creativity, good judgment, and good decision making. It helps classroom engagement and therefore classroom management because students are highly motivated to finish their tasks. I want to tell you about some examples of 3DBear projects that can be used in the classroom. One is they could be learning about Mars and the crucial conditions for humans to survive there through building a Martian base in augmented reality. And this would meet the Virginia Science Standard of Learning for Earth Science Point 3. Another project is where students could learn different animals' winter survival strategies by actually building a winter habitat for certain animals in augmented reality. This lesson would meet the Virginia Science Standard of Learning 2.7, 3.4, and also 4.1. A third project could be learning major landforms on Earth through constructing different terrain models that represent certain areas of the country and doing this in AR. This lesson would meet Virginia Standards of Learning for Social Studies 5.6. And then another project could be learning about basic geometric shapes by 3D modeling a sculpture in augmented reality. And this could meet the Virginia Math Standard of Learning for first grade, second grade, and third grade. Another project would be to create and tell a story or a fairy tale with augmented reality. And this would meet the standard of learning for English in 5.5 and 5.8. And then one other project that is readily used by teachers or could be readily used by teachers is to have the students learn the meanings that are carried in traditional idioms by actually building an augmented reality scene for them to interpret. I just think that would be so much fun to do. And this would meet the Virginia English Standard of Learning 10.3 and 11.3. I think that one would be a really fun thing for the students to do. There is a project alternative. There's an app called Arlupa, and that is an augmented reality and virtual reality app that provides advanced AR services that lets people impose digital content over a real world environment. And Arlupa does give you the possibility to take photos and videos of different objects and also generate a 3D model of an object or a room or even an outdoor space. We could look at Arlupa. I personally think 3DBear provides us many more opportunities and has more benefits than Arlupa. And I would be glad to talk to you about this further. So for the project costs for 3DBear, we would need to purchase 12 classroom premium packages. A premium classroom package gives you the license for one teacher and 30 classroom devices. And the unit price on that is $299 for the package, leading us the total price of $3,588 to purchase the 12 premium classroom packages for our school. So I've done some ratings on this project, and I would rate the benefit of the project at a 3. That gives us moderate benefits, which would deliver any or all of the following. We could get school savings, moderate productivity improvement, and also infrastructure opportunity benefits through this purchase. The ratings on the cost is only a 1. This project cost would total under $5,000, which is not a whole lot of money. The rating for the visibility and the impact on our school, I've rated as a 3 with a high impact because it would impact all of the users and all of the constituencies through this purchase. The risk is really only at a 1. The project just presents really a minimal risk of disrupting school operation if we don't implement it. I just think that it would be so beneficial to us to implement this project. And I would love to talk to you further about this project. I just think that 3DBear AR is definitely something that we could benefit from, that the students would love, and that would be fairly easy for us to get into our school and to implement. If you have any questions, you can certainly email me at scottcm@hbu.edu. I would just love to talk to you about this project. Thank you so much for listening today.